my YouTube channel. My name is Peter. Have you ever tried to think about the vowels we have in Luganda? And you were like, oh my God, I think there are very many. I will not get to know how that be done, how to say them, how are they, be there surprised and think there are very many? No way. There are only 5 vowels we have in Luganda. So, my name is Peter. This is the channel you're going to be learning Luganda, and this is the video I'm going to try to break down for you how many vowels we have in Luganda and what are those vowels we have in Luganda. In order to pronounce any word in Luganda, you need to get these 5 vowels into your heads, and you have to get them on your fingertips before you pronounce a word. In Luganda, before we continue, we pronounce, or we write the way we pronounce the word. The way the word sounds is the way we write it down. Okay? So, today I'm going to try to break for you down how many vowels we have in Luganda and what are those vowels we have in Luganda. I said there are 5. There are 5 and they are simple and they are similar to those in English, but we pronounce them in different way. So what you have to do, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you are new to this channel, so that you don't miss anything about the tutorial or the lesson about Luganda. So the first letter or the first vowel we have is A. A. In Luganda we call it A. A. In English it's called A. In Luganda it is called A. We have E. E. In Luganda we call it A. Don't get confused. The first one was A in English, but in Luganda is A. The second one is E. In Luganda is A. We have the third one is I, but in Luganda we call it Y. So in English it is I, but don't say A, just say Y in Luganda. We have O. It's the same as in Luganda, you say O. Then the last one is U. In Luganda we call it U. Is U. In Luganda it is U. So that is for today. It was just simple to be telling you how many vowels we have in Luganda. But I'll come with a long video trying to break it down for you. My name is Peter. Thanks for watching and thank you for subscribing.